Fuller soil, brighter blooms. It's the perfect time to plant bulbs for a stunning late winter and spring display. Whether you've got a big garden or just a little balcony, there's a bulb for every space. Short on garden beds? No worries. Pots work wonders. Dutch irises, daffodils, and hyacinths grow beautifully in containers, adding color and fragrance to patios and windowsills. Or try your hand at other indigenous beauties like freesias and sparaxis. Use pots with drainage holes, add a layer of gravel at the bottom and fill with quality potting soil. Space bulbs about 2 centimeters apart, cover with soil and top with mulch. Water well and keep them in a shady spot until shoots appear. Then move them into the morning sun. Feed with a liquid fertilizer every few weeks to help them grow strong. For something unique, try growing hyacinths hydroponically. Place wash ribble pebbles in a jar, rest the bulbs on top, and fill with water just below the base. Watch the roots grow down and soon you'll have a fragrant bloom. In garden beds, Dutch irises, ranunculus, and daffodils put on a show. Ranunculus love cool, moist conditions and makes a great cut flower. And daffodils return year after year, bringing a cheerful welcome to your garden. Remember to plant bulbs at the right depth. Check the packet for instructions, water well, and feed with bulb food throughout the growing season. For extra protection in the garden, use aqua pots to keep them safe from moles and to make transplanting easier. Find all your bulbs, planting must-haves and more at your local GCA Garden Centre. Visit LifeisaGardenSA to find one near you.